Hello students, hello everyone. Uh, I have uploaded one video regarding string, one or I think two videos I have uploaded regarding string functions. In that two videos I have discussed about string functions. Okay. Now here I am with some questions of output, string output questions. Means in class 10th ICC board examination, you may have the questions, you will have the questions of output of related to string. So few such questions I'm going to discuss in this video. So and from string chapter you will have one or two, maybe sometimes one, sometimes two output program, output questions, and programs will be there. One program, at least one program will be there related to string topic, string. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to discuss the questions of output related, which will be related to string functions. Okay. So without wasting your and my time, I'm going to start. Let's see. I'm going to start from this question, and these are the questions I've taken from the previous year question papers of council, means board examinations papers. So let's discuss and listen carefully. Such questions will have in the examination. So listen. See, the question is here. State state the output of the following program segment. S equal to examination. Okay. S equal to what? It's examination. And so you can see S dot length. So first of all, we'll find the value of n. S dot length is what? Count the number of characters. Length function returns the number of characters in the string. So I'm going to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this string has 11 characters. So the length of this string is what? 11. So the value of n will be what? 11. The value of n will be what? 11. Got it? Then see, output, the answer of this question I'm going to write here means here we have to write the output. Output is what? S starts with S dot substring 5 comma n. The thing which will be printed by this system dot out dot println, that will be the output. Okay. So here you can see it is here two functions are given. One starts with and one is what? Substring. In previous video of string, I have discussed about all these functions. So if you have not seen that videos, please go and watch that videos. You'll get that videos in the playlist of string. Okay. So please watch that video first if you have not watched that videos of string functions. Two videos are there. Please watch that. And if you've already watched, no problem. Just continue this through this video. See, S dot starts with and S dot substring. Two functions of string are here. Okay. So substring function, and now you can see here we have two functions, and one function is in bracket, another is outside the bracket. So if you are getting this more than one function in this manner, if you get means what is the situation here? Key one function is in the bracket, another is outside the bracket. So if you're getting the functions in this manner, in that case, what you can do, what can be done? The innermost bracket function should be solved first. The innermost bracket function should be solved first, then outer. Okay, and so on like this. So here substring function will be solved first, then starts with function will be solved. Okay, I'm going step by step. Listen. Substring 5 comma n. As already we know the value of n is what? 11. So 5 comma n. So 5 comma n means it will return the part of the string from index number 5 to 10. Okay, please remember that second argument minus 1. There will be second argument minus 1. So it will return the part of the string, substring function will return part of the string from index number 5 to 10, not to 11, because second argument minus 1 will always be there. So 5 to 10, so if we try to find here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, 5 to 10. So here from 5 to 10, you can see we are getting what? Nation. Okay, 5 to 10, what are we getting? Nation. So the result of this part will be what? Nation. C N A T I O N. From 5 to 10 we got. Okay. Then this function will work. Now starts with S, starts with nation. You can see this string S is not starting with nation. So this function will result false. And the result of this function will be printed. So finally, the result of this part is what? False. So system.out.println will print that result. That is what? False. Okay, got it? Then second part. Here, s dot char at 2. Char at 2 function will return then the character at index number 2 in s string. So here the at char at 2 what we have? Small a. The result of this function is a, and like that char at 6 also we have small a. You can see char at 6 is here, that is also small a. So a equal to a, this is equal to operator, it will return true, either true or false. So here a equal to a, true, the result of this operator will be what? True. So that will be printed by this function system.out.println will print the result of this. So what is the result of this? It is true. So true will be printed. Okay, I hope it's clear. If any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. I'm moving to the next question. And please, function, I have explained each and every function I have explained in previous videos of string functions. Please watch that. Okay, if you have not seen that video, please. Okay, now coming to this. State the data type and values of A and B after the following segment is executed. Now here we have to find the value of A and B as well as the data type of A and B. So for that we must know the return type of each and every function. Only then we can tell the type of variable A and variable B. So S1 dot compared to S2. If you remember, compared to function, the return type of this function is what? Int. The return type of this function is what? Compared to function is what? Int. So the type of variable A should be A. Here I am writing A and B. First we'll write the type, then we'll write the value. So type of A will be what? Int, because the return type of compare to function is int. So type is int here. Now value, about value. So what compare to function does? It compares character by character, and where the first mismatching is found, where the first two characters are mismatched, it returns the difference of their ASCII values. For example, see, you can see in these two strings in S1 and S2, this even first character is mismatching. First two characters are mismatching. C, A, they are mismatching. So from here itself, it will return the result. Means it will return the difference of ASCII values of C and A. Okay. So ASCII value of C will be what? If you do know the ASCII values, and the ASCII value of capital A to Z is 65 to 90. Okay. So it will return 65 to 90. Sorry, so ASCII value of C will be what? 65, 66, 67. And the value of ASCII value of A will be what? 65. So difference will be what? 2. Okay. So this function will return 2 that will be stored into A. So the value of A will be 2. Okay. So the value of A will be what now? It will be 2. Okay. Now B. So equals function, the return type of equals function is Boolean, means it returns either true or false. So the type of B should be Boolean. It should be Boolean. And see, S1 equals to S2. S equals function compares two strings and returns either true or false if they are equal. Otherwise it returns, it compares two strings and it returns true if both are equal. Otherwise it returns false. So here S1 and S2 are not equal. So this function will return false. So the value of b will be false. So here we have the answer. This is the answer of this question. Okay, in examination, no need to write this question. Only you write the answer. Okay. Don't waste your time in writing the question. Okay. So if any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Since I have explained thoroughly each and every function, so that's why I'm not taking too much time. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask through comment section. And if you are getting confusion, please watch that video of string functions. Two videos are there. Please watch that. Then everything will be clear. Now see, state the value stored in the variables str1 and str2. We have to find the value of str1 and str2. So here s1 is good. S2 is word matters. Okay, these two strings we have. S2 dot substring 5 dot replace t comma n. Now one more thing, new thing is here. See, this time the functions are coming in sequence, in series. They are coming in series, means one by one. Not in the bracket. This time the functions are coming in sequence, in the series. Okay. So in such situation, we move from left to right, and which function will come first will be solved first. Okay. So we are moving from left to right. We are getting substring, then we are getting replace. So here substring function will work first, then replace function. Okay. Please don't be confused. Here the functions are coming in sequence, not in the bracket. Not in the bracket. Okay. And here the functions are coming in what? In series, in sequence. Okay. So what we'll do? We will move from left to right, and which will come first? That function will be solved first. So s1 dot substring 5. This function will work first. S2 dot substring 5. In S2 string, this function will return the part of the string from index number 5 to last. So find out index number 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 5 is, the space is at 5, index number 5. Means space matters. The result of this part will be space and matters. Okay, the result of this part will be space matters. Okay, we got this. And in this space matters, t will be replaced by n by this replace function. All the t's will be replaced by n. So final result of this part will be what? Space manners. And that will be stored into str1. So the value of str1 will be equal to space and manners. All the t's will be replaced by n. Got it? Then here concat function. Concat function joins two strings. It joins two strings. Okay. So s1 dot concat str1. What is the value of s1? S1 is good. And str1 is what? Space manner. So good space manner. Both will be joined. Both will be joined and will be stored into str2. So the value of str2 will be what? Good space will be there because space is here, good space manner. Okay, so the answer of the value of str1 is space manner, and the value of str2 is what? Space good manner. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now coming to the next function, next question. Here we have state the output of the following program segment. Okay, now here str1 is great, str2 is minds. Now here substring, concat, substring. Here you can see the functions are coming in sequence as well as in the bracket. So as I told, in such situation, you will solve the innermost bracket first. So substring function is here as innermost function. So we'll solve it first. So str2 substring 1 means this function will return part of the string from index number 1 to last. In which string? str2. So 0 from 1 to last means I and ds. The result of this part will be I and ds. Okay, and then Then we'll come outside, and now you can see substring and concat functions are coming in sequence. So we'll move from left to right, and in coming moving from left to right, we're getting substring first. So it will be solved first. The substring function will return the part of the string from in str1 from index number 0 to 1. Please remember second argument -1. So it will return, substring function will return the part of the string in str1 from index number 0 to 1. Means in str1 0 to 1 means 0 to 1 means gr. This function will return gr. So the result of this part will be what? Gr, and the result of this part is what? Ints. Okay, and that will be concatenated, will be joined by concat function. Means G, R, I, and DS will be printed by this. So output, or you can say answer, will be what? G, R, I, N, D, S will be printed. Okay. Now coming to the next line. Here again we have functions, and they are coming in sequence, substring, then two uppercase. So substring function will be solved first. str1 substring 2. In str1 from index number 2 to last means eat. The result of this part will be what? Eat. The result of this part will be what? Eat. And that will be converted to uppercase. So finally, the final result will be what? EAT. And that will be joined, then that will be concatenated. You know, this is concatenation operators. It will be joined with WH. So it will be what? Wheat. So finally, this function will print wheat. WHEAT. I hope it is also clear. And again, I'm repeating, if you have not seen the videos of string functions, please watch that. It will be clear. Okay. Now next and last, or maybe one more. See this function, it is said, what is the value stored in the variable res? Res for result here. So we have to write the value of this variable. So here you can say we have pow function and index of function. Index of function is innermost function, so it should be solved first. Index of 5. In 345, the index of 5 is what? 0, 1, 2. In 345, the index of 5 is what? 2. So the result of this will be what? 2. 2, comma 3. This 3. And mat.power function, you know, it returns 2 to the power this to the power this. The 2 to the power 3, it will be 8. Not 8, it will be 8.0, will be stored into res. So the value of res will be what? 8.0. Since it is of double type, so 8.0 will be there. Okay. So 345, in this string, the index of 5 is what? First index of 5 is what? 2. So the result of this part is 2, comma 3. The power function will work like this, 2 to the power 3. So finally we'll have the value of res is what? 8.0. Don't forget to write 0.0 since it is of double type. Now, so this is the last function, last question of output. You may practice more questions. For this video, this is the last question. Okay, and I think by these questions, I'm giving sufficient ideas to solve such questions. Now, see smartphones. Okay, smartphone A, B is what? Graphic art. Now here, we have to print the what system.out.println are printing, that are the answer, that will be the result, and that will be the output. Okay, so means here we have to find the value of h, and we have to find the value of k. Okay, so going step by step, k, so h equal to a dot substring 2 comma 5 means it will return the part of the string in a string a from index number 2 to 4. So find out 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Art. We are getting art. So the result of this will be what? Art will be stored into H. So the value of H will be art. Small art, right? Now here substring and uppercase. They are coming in sequence. So left to right, substring, then uppercase. So substring function. it will return, substring function will return part of the string in string B from index number 8 to last, means here in this string, index number 8, find out 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, means here, means we'll get art. The result of this will be ART, and that will be converted to uppercase. So finally, the value of K will be art in uppercase. This uppercase will convert this art into uppercase. So K will be what? Art in uppercase. Okay, so I have written. So here output answer is, I'm going to write here H. What is the value of H? Art. So small ART will be printed. Now here K is art. H is also art in lowercase. And equals ignore case function, what it does, it compares two strings and returns true if they are equal, otherwise it returns false. And it ignores the cases, means it will not consider the uppercase and lowercase. It will not consider uppercase and lowercase, both strings are equal. So this function will return true. So the result of this function will be printed by system.out.println. So it will print true. So this is the result of this. This is the output of, this is the answer of this question. Okay. So I hope I have given sufficient ideas or concepts of string output questions. So please, you can do practice more questions, and if you have any doubt in these questions or any other question, you can ask through comment section. Okay. So for this video, this much only. In coming videos of string, I will come with the program of a string. Thank you, students, to watch this video, and please watch it carefully. And if you have not seen the video of string functions, please watch them and then come back to this video. Thank you for this video this much only. Thank you. Bye bye.